Hello everyone. This is Rachel from American Bill Money. And if you're watching this video, that means that you have taken the opportunity to sign up with American Bill Money, and this is part of your training. So today I'm going to talk to you about shopping for postcard stamps. So I am on eBay because eBay, you can often find like cheap things, which it's commonly known for. eBay is just very well known for finding cheap things. So we're going to find postcard stamps. So let's try to find a deal for postcard stamps. It looks like we can actually shop with the post office, United States Postal Service, through eBay. And we can actually get a coil of 100 stamps for less than the actual price right there. That's a good deal. Okay, so you see what I'm trying to do here? I'm trying to shop and just try to save a little bit of money. Because if you're buying, like say you bought the $5,000 package from American Bill Money, okay? You bought 5,000 of these right here, and you're like, okay, well now I need 5,000 stamps. Okay? You want to save as much money as possible on your postage. So then you come here and you say, okay, well this one is a couple of cents more than the post office, because I think the post office, or I'm sorry, a couple of cents less. I think I said a couple of cents more. But, you know, if I can save around 20 cents per roll, you know, that adds up, you know. So then you can go down and you can maybe even bid, you know. Like I think I bid on one that was starting at like $1 yesterday, and then it had like $2 shipping. But then of course someone outbid me. So basically that's what you try to do on eBay, is just try to find, you know, cheap stamps on eBay, and then, you know, just take it from there. Or if, you know, eBay's not your thing, then just go to the actual post office. Now right now I'm going to try to tell you how to get cash back if you do feel like purchasing on eBay, because it does look like they do have a postal service, U.S. Postal Service store, so maybe you can actually get cash back with the actual mail people. So you can either do, here I'm going to go to ebates.com, and this is where you can shop basically anywhere online and get cash back. So I'm going to go to eBay, and you see they will give you 2% cash back. And all you have to do is click here, and it's recording that I'm shopping. So I just need to close out of that because I'm not really shopping, but all you have to do is, you know, go to eBay, or sorry, eBates, and then go to eBay, and then check out, and then you will have your cash back. Except with eBates, I think they're I think in order to get cash back, you have to hit like $10 or $25 or something like that before you can actually cash out. Now I'm going to go to another website that offers it. And you can actually cash out in an eBay gift card. So if you want to use a gift card to purchase your stamps, it's an option. Okay, now this is a company called Swagbucks. Maybe some people are already a part of it, just because this is the work at home industry. Okay, so what you would do is you would click the shop button from the search bar, or you could just click right here, because the shop button is also right here. And you would just click, you would type eBay. And then you would see this little button right here. And you would just click that. And then once you click on it, it would do the exact same thing that Ebates did, with taking you to the actual eBay store. And then you would just complete your transaction. And then it would have a log. Here, I'll show you all the shop activity. See, like right here. Oh, sorry. They have little ads. Right here is where I did buy stamps. And as you can see, I do have over $7 pending. So that means that I will be able to cash out over $7 just from buying stamps, guys, which is pretty awesome. It means I didn't have to give away $7 of my money. It means I actually get it back to buy more stamps. So, I mean, you can do the same thing with either this company or with Ebates. So that's my training with American Bill Money and how to save money with Postage, because it is possible. All you have to do is go to eBay, search for some deals and steals, and just utilize the cashback option. It's out there. You don't have to pay full price. Take full advantage of it. Especially whenever you're buying in bulk. So, thanks for watching.